Me, I'm in front of the door in the truck across the street. Because I'm not getting out until his motherfucking ass move. Yeah, look at this shit. Bitch. He ain't trying to go nowhere. Get your ass. They just keep insisting on fucking with me, though. And we gonna ride this shit out. I should pull off on your ass. Drive around the corner. Then again, I did that shit to your homeboy on Route 40, going 40, and his ass was holding the fuck on.